Well, hello, Stats 243A. My name is Dr. Wyatt, and I will be your instructor this term. This is fall 2024. This is a quick welcome video to let you know a little bit of what's what and who's who. So, quick review of the syllabus first. You have 10 weeks of homework, 25 points each, 250 points. You have one midterm, that's week 5. That needs to be proctored. If you're using an outside proctor, they need to be approved before the first Monday of the midterm. If you are using EOU's testing center, that's great. If you are using one of the digital smart proctors, you also just need to let me know so that we can make sure that everybody knows how that works and what's going on. You have a final the last week. You have 3 labs worth 50 points each. They come in weeks 3, 6, and 9. This class is a 2-credit class, and you might thinking to yourself, oh, it's just a 2-credit class. I shouldn't have to work that hard. Sorry, that is not the case. This credit feels like a 4-credit class is only 2 credits. The reason is because we are actually going to break down the statistics so it doesn't go so fast for you. And hopefully you understand it, and it's a good thing. It's not that you're not doing the same amount of work, you're just taking smaller bites. It's like you're running a race, you're just the same race, you're just running it at a different pace, but you're still running the same race. And your pace allows you to learn things a little bit more deeply and hopefully a little bit more time to absorb the material. So hopefully that's helpful. We are using a book called Mostly Harmless Elementary Statistics. Again, it's called Mostly Harmless Elementary Statistics, and that is a free book that you can just find on Canvas. You should get a calculator. I strongly recommend a TI 83, 84, or 89. One of those calculators. The 84 is the most common. You should be able to pick one up used off Craigslist for relatively cheap, or off of eBay or one of those types of used sites for inexpensively. They're also sold at every Walmart, every Target, every Fred Meyer. You can find a TI Office Max, Staples. You can find a TI 84 just about anywhere, Amazon. Highly recommend that you get a TI 84. The calculations can really mess people up in statistics, and this has buttons that will just give you the number. Also if you don't have it, then you are relying on looking up critical values that we need for statistics in tables, and those tables aren't always accurate enough to give you the answer that the homework system is looking for. So again, we have a free book, so please take the money that you would have spent on a very expensive statistics book and buy an TI 84 calculator. That will make the next 2 terms go very smoothly for you. The trick to passing this class is to do your homework regularly and on time, and communicate when you are slipping behind. That is the trick. You cannot expect that this will be an easy class to pass without doing your homework. Your homework you can get 100% on, 100%. You have late passes. If you do slip a little bit behind, you have 5 of those. They extend it for up to 3 weeks. So if you missed a homework in week 1, you can do it up through week 4. You get 5 of those. You have a total of, I think, 11 homework assignments because week 1 is broken into 2 parts. So there's room to be a little late. But you must do your homework if you're going to pass. You should be able to get 100% on your homework. You can redo those problems over and over again until you understand it, until you get the problem right. Same with the labs. I will take resubmitted labs for full credit if you just fix what you got wrong, because those are the areas that you should really do your learning, and then hopefully you can take your exams and be successful. Sorry I say a lot in these videos because they're not edited and they're not scripted. This is just as if I were in the classroom talking to you. I was going to mention there's no extra credit. The finals may or may not be curved depending on what the class average is. And I think that typically answers most everybody's questions. A little bit about me. I'm a high school teacher. I teach math. I have a master's in statistics from Colorado State University. I have a master's in math from Portland State University. I have a doctorate in organizational leadership from University of Portland. So my doctorate's actually in education. It's a doctorate in organizational leadership. I love statistics. It's super fun. I am hoping this is going to be a great term, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. We will have Zoom sessions, usually Wednesday nights from 6:30 to 7:30. They're open. You can email me a question if you can't attend that time, and I'll answer the question on the Zoom. You can also put the questions in the discussion boards. I will not be here this coming Wednesday. I have a professional development meeting I have to attend, but we can shift it to Thursday, and I will put that on Canvas, the Zoom link, and when we will be meeting. I think there might be one or two other Wednesdays that I have meetings, but for the most part, we're going to shoot for Wednesdays. I will always have that in the Canvas site when the next session is. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of this beautiful fall day. I was going to tell you a little bit about myself. I told you I'm a high school teacher. I do work during the day, so I might not always get back to your emails right away. I'll try to answer emails in the evening. And I love my horses. I have 3 grandbabies and 1 on the way. And I've been over in Eastern Oregon, living here for just over 6 years now. So the rest of the time, I'm born and raised in Portland, and spent the first 20 years of my career teaching actually this class through Portland State University. So I hope everything is going well, and have a great rest of the day. Bye.